Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Lenovo IdeaPad Duet Chromebook. Begin by opening Play Store on both and tapping on the search bars. Then you need to install this free app, called Send Anywhere, and when it's ready, open it. Now, if you wish to use this app, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then do exactly the same on Lenovo. In this pop-up, you can choose Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by selecting OK. When you're ready, choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and Receive over here on Lenovo tablet. Then tap on all of those type of dots from all of your categories and click on Send. This way you will select all of them and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though to do it right now, so I will go with only one photo. Maybe this one. Choose Send and click on Got it. Now, on Lenovo, as you can see, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here, choosing Allow in the pop-up, and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here instead and connect using Receive button. Now, as you can see, after a while, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!